Okay, let's just get straight to it. Arizona is exploding right now. Jobs, population, new homes, everything. Don't believe me? See for yourself. Here comes just one example of what the area and a home for sale in the Valley of the Sun look like. Enjoy the tour. Welcome to 1111 West Palo Verde Drive in Chandler, Arizona. As they say, opportunity knocks, as this home is in one of Chandler's most established neighborhoods. And get this, ready? There's no HOA. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-level home has over 1,600 square feet of livable space. It has a functional floor plan, spacious living area, and real potential. Now, if you're even thinking about moving here, before you start browsing random websites that track you, download the Mr. Rogers Homes free and private search app. The link is below. It gives you every Arizona home for sale in real time, and it doesn't sell your personal data. The showstopper is the private backyard, featuring a sparkling diving pool, perfect for cooling off on hot Arizona days or nights, entertaining friends, or relaxing alone. In other words, year-round usage. Ideally located minutes from downtown Chandler, Chandler Fashion Center, parks, shopping, dining, and convenient freeway access. Whether you're a first-time buyer, snowbird, investor, or someone looking to create your dream home, this could be the one for you. The possibilities are truly endless. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you watch this one. Until next time, take care. God bless America. I'll talk to you soon.